Ramogi weche nitie mathoth mana kaka nang'isi ni koro wadani wang'iane mabende timore Eldoret e kaunti ma Uasin Gishu e romo mar hingo higni 10 nyaka ne loch gwenge chak bede pachoka. Romo mar dhialo loch gwenge kata devolution conference ochakore ayanga kawuono e boma ma Eldoret. Jatend piny William Ruto yawo romo no ka ong'iyo okenge ma kaunti osegoyo nyaka ne chuogi higni 10 mokalo. Romo ni timore tok higni 2 kama higni 2021 nobagi kaunti ma Makueni. Wadani wadhiane achiel kachiel nyaka Ramogi nyaka Eldoret e kaunti ma Uasin Gishu mondo owinjane kaka weche dhi.
And programs run in the counties. The Senate, on the other hand, has the duty to protect the interest of the county governments at the national level through legislation and passage of laws that are critical for county operations. There is a robust engagement between the Council of Governors and the Senate, and the collegiality between the two institutions can only grow stronger. The presidency has renewed the desire to grow the devolved system of governance. Timely disbursement of funds to counties and commitments to empower devolution, as envisioned in the Constitution, have been pronounced, giving hope to the larger devolution fraternity.
Mimi niliahidi ya kwamba we support devolution because we know what devolution can do.
10 years of devolution has placed Kenya in a trajectory of holistic growth. This conference brings us together as a country to reflect on the 10 years and embrace more strategies that will meet the aspirations of the citizenry, offering them more optimism of a great Kenya under devolved units. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Devolution Conference 2023.
A round of applause. 10 years of devolution. Next, Your Excellency, remarks by the National Assembly Speaker, remarks being made on his behalf by the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Gladys Bosch-Shonei. Karibu sana.
Your Excellency, with your permission, allow me to adopt the protocols that have already been established. I think after listening to Balozi Megan, I thought we should, everything had been said. So I'll go straight to this speech. I'm reading it on behalf of the Right Honourable Speaker of the National Assembly, Dr. Moses Wetangula. It goes like this. He says, I'm honored to stand before you today on this momentous occasion as we gather here in Uasin Gishu County to celebrate the decade of remarkable progress in the journey of devolution. This conference provides us with an opportunity to reflect on the achievements, challenges, and the bright future that lies ahead as we drive transformation from county level. This conference serves as a testament to our commitment to county governance and economic development. And it is an honor to have His Excellency the President gracing this occasion. Your Excellency, your presence today not only adds prestige to the event, but also underscores the significance of our collective efforts and national government commitment to the devolution process. Your unwavering dedication to the principles of devolution are your vision for an empowered citizenry that has a pivotal in driving Kenya's progress. Your leadership and vision have been instrumental in guiding our nation. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, under the theme, 10 years of devolution, the present and the future,